One of the most important parts of making your content accessible is creating alt text for images. Alt text helps users relying on devices like screen readers access the same information from images on a page that users without a disability normally get. That said, there are times when you'll use decorative images that don't add any important information about your content. You want screen readers to ignore decorative images since they don't provide any helpful context for your users with disabilities. Our latest feature lets you make an image decorative, which allows devices like screen readers to skip past them while narrating. This is helpful to users with screen readers since it prevents their device from relaying unimportant information to them. To embed decorative images on a page, select one that you normally would from the Image tabs. Then check the decorative box below the alt text field. You'll notice the alt text field is gray and non-responsive when you check the box. After you do that, click the Select Images button, pick your Display As settings, and embed the image. You can also either upload an image to the media directory or pick an existing image to make it decorative. Let's edit the image titled Avatar JPEG. Then check the Decorative box under the alt text field and save the image. When we embed this image on a page, it will already be decorative by default, and screen readers will know to ignore it when reading. To learn more about using decorative images and other accessibility best practices, follow the link in the video description to the W3C Web Accessibility Initiative site.